cringe. Well, I got downloadable Mr. Planet, and I want to say thank you so much to so many people, because so many people kept on gifting me gifts on my female account. I don't know why, but I got my whole wish list, and I look fancy. I'm sharing this account on one of my good friends, so yeah. Oh, there. My favorite line. Hello, my babes. I just woke up. You cannot really hear anything, so. Because I don't have like a good mic, okay? You've got to understand that I'm a peasant. No, stop. Okay, this is just eerie. Yeah, it's better. How's my present? There we go. I need about like 300 more. Yeah. I'm gonna be level 9, folks. What? I'm gonna ask this kind woman auto for auto. Wait, I need to be high. Let's say, hey. Nobody knows this is my, like, female account. I haven't told anybody at all that this is my male account. Like, I'm a male, so yeah. I'll look through my messages, actually. Overall. Is what I would appreciate if you gave me an auto. Okay. Please, I need fame. I'm gonna ask this place dude. I look like a VIP, to be honest. I kind of do. If I had those lips, like you could barely tell that my lips are ugly because I put on so much like face decor. I'm gonna check my footage every once in a while. What's this? Cough, cough, cough. I'm gonna ask this pretty looking lady right here. And yeah, can I have an auto? Not even British. I just like playing on the UK server. Oh my god, mate. There are people in my house, and I'm sorry if it's annoying if you could hear them because I'm recording. So yeah. Oh my god. We're back. Okay, I'm back. So I got an auto. I still need 33 more fame. Why is it always me that needs fame? Wait, I'm gonna ask her. She's pretty chill, so no one's accepting me. Ooh. Do you seriously have to pop it? Hey, X. I'm excited. I want money. I mean, I want star coins. 1, 2, 3. That's like the oldest trick in the book. 5, 6, 7. If she's rude, I bet she's gonna type like, no. Yay! Yay. I'm excited. I want my help. Like when she smiles, I don't know. First of all, my face kind of looks dirty, and it also looks VIP-able. Wait, she just choose a reward. Seriously? See how this hair looks like a blonde? No, keep on picking. For some reason, it keeps on picking white. I'm not even picking white. Ew. Just gonna pick this nice skirt. Nothing looks good. Okay, I could always use an extra hair. Faster in this BL. Man, why can't my main be this good? I got so much greets on this. Look at the gifts. Thank you to all these people who got me these gifts. That's my whole wish list. Well, not my whole. That is my whole wish list. That is just plain ass gifts. More just random ass gifts. More gifts. More gifts. More gifts. And then my cactus. I bought myself something. I don't know why I got so much gifts. He was the person who started giving me gifts. So yeah. I don't really know what to do in this game anymore. Like, the only thing I need to do is get VIP. Okay? On this game. So yeah. I want to check all my clothes actually. I think I'm actually good at this game. And there's only been like a couple of episodes. So yeah. If you wanna guys decide to like I should make a makeover thing. And I don't have people. because I'm a nice person. I could have you if I wanted to, but like I'm not because I'm a nice person. I told you. That hair is cute. I got it from a trade and I gave her something really bad cheap, so I accepted it. This hair is from like 2011. I kind of like it. Don't hate me. I know it's ugly for most people, but I like it. And that's the only thing that matters. This is my favorite hair. Now, mate, you actually think that. I don't know how it look like with the egghead. Because all MSP players have an egghead. I got this hair. This really good hair for free. This hair I got for free. This hair I got for free. I like this hair. I'm gonna wear that one. I think I'm gonna end this here. Let's see how long I've been recording. Yeah, it's probably a long time. And thank you so much for watching. I'm probably gonna make another one on my boy count today. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, I guess. I don't know what to do now. Bye.